Hello everyone, and welcome to M. Taylor's Money Making and Marketing Sense channel. Welcome to our video on advertising on YouTube for sales. In today's digital landscape, YouTube has emerged as a powerhouse marketing platform, boasting over 2 billion active users each month. This makes it an incredible opportunity for businesses to reach a vast audience and drive sales. Whether you're a small startup or a well-established brand, understanding how to advertise on YouTube effectively can significantly impact your bottom line. In this video, we'll dive into essentials of YouTube advertising, exploring various strategies that can help you capture your audience's attention and convert views into sales. We'll discuss the different ad formats available, how to target your ideal customers, and tips for creating compelling content that resonates with viewers. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage YouTube for your advertising needs and boost your sales. So grab a notepad and get ready to unlock the potential of YouTube advertising. And if you're getting good value from this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who might get value from it also, because it helps the channel continue to grow so we can continue to bring you more content like this. First, understanding your audience. To create effective advertising on YouTube, it's crucial to identify and analyze your target audience. Start by researching the demographics and interests of potential customers. Understanding factors like age, gender, location, and interest will help you tailor your content to resonate with the right viewers. Next, utilize YouTube analytics to gather valuable insights on viewer behavior. This powerful tool allows you to track metrics such as watch time, engagement rates, and audience retention. By analyzing this data, you can identify which types of content perform best and adjust your advertising strategies accordingly. Creating audience personas is another effective way to refine your advertising approach. These fictional representations of your ideal customers can help you visualize their preferences, pain points, and motivation. By developing detailed personas, you can craft targeted messages that speak directly to your audience's needs and desires. In summary, understanding your audience is the foundation of successful YouTube advertising, enabling you to create content that truly connects and drives sales. Setting advertising goals. Defining clear objectives for your YouTube advertising campaign is essential for achieving success. Start by establishing measurable goals, such as increasing sales or enhancing brand awareness. These objectives will serve as a roadmap guiding your advertising efforts and helping you evaluate their effectiveness. It's also important to consider the different stages of the sales funnel when aligning your goals. For instance, if you're targeting potential customers at the awareness stage, your focus might be on generating views and engagement. Conversely, if you're aiming to convert leads into sales, your goals should center around driving traffic to your website or encouraging purchases. To ensure your goals are effective, use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This framework helps you create clear and actionable objectives that can be tracked and assessed over time. By setting SMART goals, you'll be better equipped to measure your campaign's success and make necessary adjustments along the way, ultimately leading to a more impactful YouTube advertising strategy. Choosing the right ad format. When it comes to advertising on YouTube, selecting the right ad format is crucial for driving sales. There are several options available, each with its own unique characteristics. The use of skippable ads allow viewers to skip the ad after 5 seconds, making them ideal for engaging content that encourages the viewer to stay. Non-skippable ads, on the other hand, must be watched in full before accessing the video, which can be effective for delivering a strong message, but may lead to viewer frustration if not executed well. Bumper ads are short, 6-second clips that are perfect for quick brand awareness and recall. To determine which format aligns best with your campaign goals, consider your target audience and the message you want to convey. If engagement is a priority, TrueView ads are an excellent choice, as they allow viewers to choose whether to watch your ad, leading to higher engagement rates. By understanding the differences between these formats and evaluating your objectives, you can select the most effective ad types to maximize your sale potential on YouTube. Creating compelling ad content. To develop engaging and persuasive content for your YouTube ads, storytelling should be at the forefront of your strategy. By weaving a narrative that resonates emotionally with viewers, you can create a deeper connection that captures their attention and keeps them engaged. Whether it's a relatable scenario or an inspiring journey, a good story can make your brand memorable. Next, highlight the unique selling points and benefits of your product. Clearly communicate what sets your offer apart from the competition and how it can solve a problem or enhance the viewer's life. This not only informs potential customers but also builds trust and credibility. Finally, include a strong call to action to encourage an immediate response, whether you want viewers to take advantage of the offers on your website, sign up for a newsletter, or just make a purchase. A clear and compelling CTA can drive action. By combining storytelling, highlighting benefits, and incorporating a strong CTA, you can create ad content that not only engages but also converts viewers into loyal customers. Targeting your ads effectively. To maximize the effectiveness of your YouTube advertising, it's essential to utilize the platform's robust targeting option to reach the right audience. Start by leveraging demographic targeting, which allows you to focus on specific age groups and genders. This ensures that your ads are seen by those most likely to be interested in your product or service, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. Next, consider using interest-based targeting to connect with viewers who have relevant interests. By aligning your ads with the hobbies and preferences of your target audience, you can create a more personalized experience that resonates with them. This approach not only enhances engagement, but also builds a stronger connection with potential customers. Additionally, implementing remarketing strategies can be a game changer. By re-engaging previous visitors who have shown interest in your brand, you can remind them of your offerings and encourage them to take action. By effectively targeting your ads, you can ensure that your message reaches the right people at the right time, ultimately driving better results for your campaign. Analyzing ad performance. Monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of your YouTube ads is crucial for achieving your marketing goals. Start by using YouTube analytics to track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as view count, click through rates, and engagement metrics. These insights provide valuable information about how well your ads are resonating with your audience and whether they are driving the desired actions. Based on the performance data and viewer feedback, be prepared to adjust your strategy. If certain ads are underperforming, analyze why that might be the case and make necessary changes to improve their effectiveness. This could involve tweaking your messaging, targeting, or even the ad format itself. Additionally, conducting A/B testing is an excellent way to optimize your ad content and targeting. By creating variations of your ads and testing them against each other, you can identify which elements work best. This iterative approach allows you to refine your advertising strategy continually, ensuring that your YouTube ads not only reach your audience but also drive meaningful results for your business. Budgeting your campaign. Planning and allocating your budget for YouTube advertising is a critical step in ensuring the success of your campaign. Start by determining your overall advertising budget based on your specific goals. Whether you aim to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, or boost sales, having a clear budget will help guide your spending decision. Next, consider the cost per click and cost per thousand impression models when planning your budget. CPC allows you to pay only when someone clicks on your ad, making it a great option for campaigns focused on driving traffic. On the other hand, CPM charges you based on the number of impressions your ad received, which can be beneficial for brand awareness campaigns. Once your campaign is underway, it's essential to monitor your spending closely. Regularly review your ad performance and adjust your budget as necessary to maximize your return on investment. By being proactive and flexible with your budget, you can ensure that your YouTube advertising efforts are both effective and efficient, ultimately leading to better results for your business. In this video, we explored the essential elements of advertising on YouTube for sales. We begin by emphasizing the importance of understanding your audience and how this knowledge can shape your advertising strategy. By identifying demographic, interests, and behaviors, you can create targeted content that resonate with potential customers. We also discussed the significance of setting clear goals for your campaigns, ensuring that your efforts align with your overall marketing objective. We encourage you to apply the various strategies we covered, from choosing the right ad formats to creating compelling content and effectively targeting your ads. Each of these components play a vital role in maximizing your advertising success on YouTube. As we wrap up, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share with others who might benefit from these strategies. Together, let's harness the power of YouTube advertising to drive sales and grow your business. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.